What's up, YouTube? Happy first of the month. Happy first Sunday. And here's my first of the month Hoover. Just for you. Hoover Elite. 6.0 amp. It's the basic one. One of my favorite. So I think I did a video of this one when I first got it. I know I did. I want to say I got this one in 2021, last year, with this Dirt Devil right here. Hold on. I bought that one and that one at the exact same time. I think that Dirt Devil was... Oh, shoot. I think that one was $10. And I think that Hoover was like $15. So, yeah, you can't go wrong with that. Both in great condition. Anyway, here she is. My beautiful Hoover. It's actually got the deluxe top fill. Hoover Deluxe Top Fill Bag System. It's got the stair cleaning handle, like all my Hoovers. And I love it. So here she is. Let's go ahead and run her. You can't go wrong with a Hoover. Especially the older Hoovers. So if I'm not mistaken, I believe that one was born in 88 or 89. Maybe even 1990. And it just amazes me that though this thing is years and years old, this thing is a few decades old, and it runs like it's brand new. Sounds better, works better than all the new junk that they sell at Walmart nowadays. That's a shame. This thing is generations old. Well, I wouldn't say generations old, but it's a couple decades old, and it does a great job. So, yeah. With that being said, please come watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy, yours truly. I'm out. Kevin Love. Peace.